You are now about to watch a video that demonstrates a series of environment assessment tests consisting of water splash, dustproof, and drop tests. This video shows you each assessment test conducted on the new Casio DT-X30 series handheld terminal in the following order: water splash test, dustproof test, and finally drop test. The purpose of this environment assessment test is to determine the durability and toughness of the DT-X30 series against the kind of harsh conditions that you may experience in your daily business environment. All the scenes and actions you will see in this video are from the actual test and are not exaggerated in any way. Environment Assessment Test on Casio DT-X30 series handheld terminal. 1. Water splash proof. 2. Dust proof. 3. Drop durability. The DT-X30 is designed and built for maximum durability against use in inclement weather throughout its service life. The entire assessment test is carried out by following the definition and test procedure according to the international standard IEC 60529, prepared by the International Electrotechnical Commission for the Worldwide Unification. Consequently, the DT-X30 has been proved to meet protection level 4, which does not allow harmful effects after water has been splashed from any direction. The DT-X30 is placed on a turntable within the water splash test equipment, and a volume of water of 10 liters per minute from a height of 300 millimeters to 500 millimeters for 5 minutes is applied. During this period, the precipitation pressure is set to 50 to 150 kilopascals. After one side is tested, the DT-X30 is tested again by changing the direction until all the 6 sides, front, right, rear, left, top, and bottom, are tested. At the end of each test, an operation check is performed by actually scanning a barcode and testing the other major functions of the DT-X30. The IEC 60529 standard also applies to the classification of degrees of protection against penetration of solid foreign objects, including dust. The classification of degrees ranges from 0, non-protected, to 6, dust-tight, the highest possible rating. The dust-proof test is carried out in an airtight container by firstly connecting a suction tube to the expansion port on the back of the DT-X30 and the other end to an air compressor. After the preparation is complete, the DT-X30 is left in the container and the container is tightly closed. An amount, 2 kilograms per cubic meter, of white-colored powder, talc with a grain density of 2.7 grams per cubic centimeter, is blown into the container through the tube. It takes nearly 1 hour for the powder blown into the container to settle on the bottom and over the DT-X30. During this period, the air compressor sucks air into the DT-X30 through the expansion port. This generates an imbalance of air pressure, low pressure inside the DT-X30 and relatively high pressure above the surface of the enclosures, which causes air, in which the powder is suspended, to get inside the DT-X30. If the powder were able to penetrate, it could cause a malfunction. Thanks to the dust-proof design and rugged structure of the device, the DT-X30 does not allow the powder to penetrate. This proves that the DT-X30 meets the highest level of protection for dust, which is 6. To ensure the drop and impact durability of the DT-X30 against harsh handling in its service life, The DTX30 is dropped onto a concrete floor from a height of 150 centimeters, or 5 feet, for a total of 50 times, 5 times in each direction, 6 sides and 4 corners. At the end of each test, an operation check is performed by actually scanning a barcode and testing the major functions of the DTX30. After 50 drops to concrete, the DTX30 is considered to have passed the drop durability test. Data capture, real-time communication, stylishly rugged. DTX30 series.